Hi, welcome back to my channel. For today's activity, we are going to create this figure. This figure is a 2D sketch on SolidWorks, which is basically considered as basic level. So let's start. First, we're going to create a guideline using center line. So we're just going to click center line right here. And then I'm going to use front plane. Press the space bar and select front. Okay, so I'm going to create a line here and another line right here. Okay, and by the way, I use the CGS, centimeter, gram, and second unit system. So next is as we can see in the figure, we have 43, 37, and 78 on the down part. So we're just going to add them. So we're going to have 158. So this will be our guideline. We are going to click Smart Dimension, click this line, and we are going to make this 158. Next is we're going to create another set of center line rather, right here. And another one. And again, we're going to make the Smart Dimension. Going to click this and this. This should be 18. So we're going to put 18. After that, we are going to start creating the figure. So first, we start at doing a circle right here. 3 circles. 1, 2, and 3. And for us to create the measurement that we need here, we're going to select Smart Dimension. We're going to select the inner circle, and it has a diameter of 46. So we're just going to put here 46. The second circle, and put 80 as its diameter. And then next is the outer circle, which is 130 in diameter. So we can adjust this to leave some space right here. And also we can extend our guidelines. Okay, we're going to create the hands right here. We are going to make it right here. After creating this rectangle, we're going to click this second circle and click construction geometry. So after that, we're going to click this corner and the circle, and then click make coincident. This corner and this circle, and then make coincident. So we're going to click Smart Dimension, then click this line, and then put 6. And now we can trim this part of the rectangle. So and this part. So we're going to click right here, here, and right here. And then let's select circular sketch pattern. As you can see here, there are already yellow lines. We're just going to change this to 7 because we need 7. And then just click check right here. After that, we are just going to trim the entities. And then yeah, that's it. And then moving on to the next is we have another circle right here from this side. First, we're going to select these two guidelines and click the intersection right here. And then next is we create the 3 circles that we need. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Next is using smart dimension again. So we click the first circle, and then we put it right here with a diameter of 16. We're just going to type 16, and the second circle with a diameter of 34. And the outer circle with a diameter of 52. Next is like this part, the second circle right here, we're going to select the second circle and make it construction geometry. Okay, so we're going to create a guideline again from here to here, and then we're going to click smart dimension again, click this line and this line, and we are going to have 45 degrees right here. After putting the 45 degrees right here, we're going to create a circle from the center of this circle and this line with a diameter of 8. Now is after creating this circle, we are going to click smart dimension and click this circle and put 8 as its diameter. And then we are going to click the circle again and select circular sketch pattern. So we're just going to click this and select this point. And as you can see here, the other circles are already guided. So we're just going to check if it's 4, and then let's click OK. So we're going to create the arc right here. So we're just going to click arc and then zoom in a little bit from here to here. And then we're going to click this line and this part of the circle and select tangent. And this part of the circle and this arc, tangent. Okay, after that, we're going to fix the radius of this arc. So we're just going to select smart dimension again, click this arc and put 180 as the radius. So we're just going to select this arc. So we're just going to select this arc again and select offset. And as you can see in the figure, it is offset by 20 cm. So we're just going to change this to 20 and then click check. So here, as you can see, we have the offset. So we're just going to move this dimension right here, and then we're going to trim the entities right here. After deleting all those lines, we're going to create an arc right here. So we'll just select here and this part of the circle, and then we are going to make them tangent this line and the arc. Click make tangent and then repeat the process on this arc and this part of the circle and make them tangent. So we are going to select smart dimension, select this arc and put radius 12, and then we can trim this part of the line, and then we're going to create another arc on this side. So we're just going to click here and click here, and likewise we're going to select this arc and this part of the line, and then make them tangent, and then this part of the circle and this arc, and again make them tangent, and select smart dimension, click this arc and use 10 as the radius, and then we're going to trim this part. As you can see, the upper part of our figure is finished, so we're going to move on from the lower part. So next is we're going to zoom in right here at the bottom. So you are going to create a line, so select this line from the center bottom of this part of the circle, going right here, and then smart dimension, click this line and make it 78, and then another line from here to here, smart dimension again, click this point and this point and make it 37. Next, another line from here to this part of the circle. Next is we're going to select offset entities. By 20 cm also, so we're just going to click OK right here, and then we're going to trim these parts, and then we're just going to arrange. After that, we're going to fillet this side, so we're just going to click this line and this line, and then select fillet, and then our radius is 20, so we're going to change this to 20, then click the check, and then also this part with a radius of 8, click the check. Then next is fillet again this part with a radius of 12. Again on this part with a radius of 14. Create an arc right here, so click this in this part, and then we're going to make them tangent, and then this in this arc tangent also, and then smart dimension, click the arc and put 12. Next is we're going to create an arc also right here, select arc and then click right here and right here. Likewise, we're going to select this line and the arc, and then select tangent, and then another one this side of the circle and the arc, click tangent again. We can trim this part. Select Smart Dimension, click the arc, and put 5 as the radius. Next is right here. We're going to put an arc here and here. Same process. We're going to tangent this side and also this side. Trim this part and then Smart Dimension, click this and put 5. This is our final figure and I hope you learned something about SolidWorks and its basic concepts. Although a while ago you can see at the bottom that our figure is not yet fully defined. With some adjustments and fixing of the dimensions and other relations of the lines and circles, we can achieve fully defined figure. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something and see you again next time.